Hey everyone! In this video, today I'm going to show you how to find a GI on TaxAct. Don't worry, it only takes a few clicks. Without wasting time, let's walk through the easy way to find a GI on TaxAct, step by step. First, go to the TaxAct website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the tax return you want to review. Next, look at the main dashboard and click on Federal. This section shows the details of your federal tax return. Now select Forms or View Tax Return depending on the version you're using. Scroll until you find Form 1040. On Form 1040, look for line 11. This line shows your adjusted gross income, also called AGI. That's the number you'll use if another service asks for your AGI. And that's it. Thanks for watching.